Hello everyone, in this video I will explain the theory of a UART bootloader in a Nuvoton microcontroller. This is a short conceptual overview without code. Why bootloader? In many embedded projects, firmware updates are required after development. Using a hardware programmer in the field is not always practical. A bootloader allows firmware update without a programmer. What is a bootloader? A bootloader is a small program stored in internal flash memory. It runs first after reset and decide whether to update the firmware or start the application. Why UART? UART is a simple and widely supported. It requires minimum hardware and easily contact a PC using a USB to UART converter. This makes UART ideal for bootloader communication. Flash memory layout. Flash memory is divided into two sections. The bootloader area is fixed and protected. The application area contains the main firmware and can be updated. Bootloader flow. After reset, the bootloader initializes the system and UART it, then wait for a firmware update command. Decision logic. If an update command is received, the bootloader enter update mode. If no command is received, it directly jumps to the application. Firmware update process. During update mode, the bootloader erases the application flash area. It's received firmware data through UART and write into a flash memory. Data integrity check. Checksum or CRC is used to verify data integrity. This ensures that only valid firmware is programmed. After successful flashing, the bootloader sets the stack pointer and jumps to application reset handler. The application then runs normally. Error handling. The bootloader remains protected even during power failure. The application runs only if the update process is completed successfully. Advantages of UART bootloader. UART bootloader remove the need for a programmer, simplify firmware update, and it's cost effective for production and field use. Conclusion. This was a short theoretical explanation of a UART bootloader in a Nuvoton microcontroller. Understanding this concept is important before implementation. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.